Good day. Here is the part 1 list of commonly used adjectives. In order to have a good practice, kindly record while reading the adjective loud and clear. This program is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. By the way, adjective is a word that describes a noun. And now, let us hear from Luis, grade 2 pupil from Quezon City. By the way, adjective is a word that describes a noun.
Good. Courageous. Adventurous. Cooperative. Alert.
Aggressive.
Address. First. Last. Long. Great. Little. Old. Other. Old. Right. Big. High. Different. Small. Large. Next. Early. Young. Few. Public. Bad. Same. Adorable.
Amiable. Amiable.
Amused. Pleasing. Appetizing. Average. Beautiful.
Exasperated.
Blushing. Bored. Brave. Bright. Dim. Broad. Bulky. Burry.
Burly.
Charming. Graceful. Cheerful. Glorious. Careful. Grieving. Handsome. Lovely. Lonely. Lively. Lucky. Large. Huge. Salty. Round. Sarcastic. Nervous. Naughty. Simple. Nasty. Appealing. Chubby. clear, clean, lean, cloudy, clueless, clumsy, cool, creepy,
Crooked.
crooked,
Crooked.
boiling, cumbersome, curved, cynical, dangerous, daring,
Daring.
daring, delicious, daring, delicious, disturbed, dreadful, dizzy, dull, drained, adorable,
Deceitful.
deceitful, dashing, decayed, deep, boastful, helpless, helpful, hungry, hollow, shallow,
Watch our part 2 of the list of adjectives. Inaanyayahan ko ang mga kabataan na gustong sumali sa libreng tutorial ng IVFC. Sali lang po kayo from Mondays to Saturdays. See you there!